If you use Chrome, you probably have at least one extension. Some of the most popular ones include uBlock, which is an ad blocker, and Honey, which automates applying coupons at checkout. If you do YouTube, you might have something like vidIQ or TubeBuddy as well. So what is this little extension next to all of those that says off? Well, that is my newest Chrome extension and it is super dumb. I'll be showing you what it does and how it works, but first let me tell you why I decided to make it. If you've ever tried looking for a recipe online, a lot of the time you'll stumble onto a website where the person writing the recipe wants to give you their whole life story. Like, bro, I'm just trying to cook this orange chicken because I'm hungry. I don't need you telling me that one of your ancestors added 2 more grams of ginger to the recipe 200 years ago. I just want the recipe. So, I asked myself, what is the best way to skip all this BS and jump straight into the recipe? I noticed that some recipe websites have this jump to recipe button which scrolls straight down into the ingredients and directions, bypassing all the storytelling and fluff for SEO. This would be a perfect solution if every website had it. Then I started thinking, what if I put this button on every website? What lets me do that? And then it hit me, a Chrome extension. I'm going to make a Chrome extension that literally only does one thing. It scrolls down to the recipe on any page. Here's how I made it. Since I've never made a Chrome extension before, the first thing I did was Google how to make a Chrome extension. This led me to the Chrome extension developer docs where I tried a few examples and was able to get something running. Let's jump into that. So I started out by creating a manifest file, and this just defines your Chrome extension. It has things like the name of the extension, the description, the version number, actions, icons, the background, what service workers you're using, and the permissions. Next, I created a file that contains a list of all the websites that my Chrome extension will be working on. So I added websites like All Recipes, Epicurious, Simply Recipes, Delish, The Modern Proper, Food and Wine, and I plan to add more in the future. Here I started to code the service worker. So this just contains all the actions and all the listeners for the Chrome extension. So for example, when a tab is switched or a new website is loaded, and then also what it does when the Chrome extension is installed. So after I did that, I started making individual scripts for every website because every website has a different identifier for their ingredients element to which I want to scroll to. So I made files for every website and then just used the scroll into view function to scroll down to that element. After that, I tested it by loading it into my browser, and I went to a website, clicked on it, then clicked on my extension, and boom, it scrolled straight down to the ingredients. So my dumb extension worked. Now that my extension was finished, I decided to post it to the Chrome extension store. To do that, I had to upload it to the Chrome developer dashboard. They charge a $5 fee to register an account. After filling out all the information about the app, I submitted it for review. Sadly, it seems like the review process takes a long time, but once it's done, you'll be able to download the extension in the description. So yeah, that's the story of how I created the dumbest Chrome extension ever. One button, one purpose. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. I'll see y'all later. Peace.